Hey, what's up guys? It's Luke W coming back at you from my porch in Washington State. I'm here to break down some FBA storage fees and the new rules that are going to incur here starting in July. But I pretty much am bringing this video to you guys because I had a question in this video here from one of my subscribers. He said, "Thanks for the vid, brother. A lot of great information. Can you make a video about Amazon's storage fees? When will the fees occur and how much do the fees cost? This will be really helpful for new Amazon sellers worried about their products not selling and Amazon charging them fees for those non-selling products and just sitting there." So I have a great message for you guys in this video. We're going to start out with just looking at the basic inventory storage fees and what Amazon has to tell us about them right away. So you guys can see the fees do vary from month to month. During Q4, the busy season, the fees are a lot more expensive. You can see $2.40 per cubic foot as compared to 69 cents for every other month of the year. But honestly, it's really not too big of a deal. And stay tuned, I'm going to show you my exact storage fees that I've actually got from Amazon. I'll show you guys those invoices and you guys are going to be surprised at how little I've actually spent on storage fees. And to have Amazon store all my inventory with me not having to keep it at my house, it's so beneficial. And if you guys didn't know this already, you just sending your inventory into Amazon's warehouses makes your products eligible for Amazon Prime. That gives you the 2-day customer shipping. Amazon promotes your products so much more than if you're shipping out of your own house and listing your products on Amazon. So that's why we do FBA. That's why we send into Amazon. And the fees are so minimal, guys. Let me share with you guys, just to calculate your fees, you guys can see you basically multiply the length, width, and the height all together to get the volume of your actual product. And when you guys are buying products, it's not the full-size product open out of the box. You know that when you get your products in from your suppliers, they're really well packaged and bundled tightly together. So I have an example I want to share with you guys in just a moment about this inflatable lounger. You see it's a pretty big product, but I'll show you how little the storage fees are in just a moment here. So you can come up and at any time go to Amazon and say, how much are these storage fees? The thing you want to watch out for are long-term storage fees. This is when you have inventory in Amazon's warehouses for 180 days or 6 months basically. And after that, your fees literally go from like 69 cents per cubic foot up to like $11.25. That's why I always recommend people to get 100 to 200 units just to start and test out their product before going ahead and dropping thousands of dollars and buying 500 units. You want to make sure it's selling fast so you don't get stuck with stranded inventory. So let's go here and look at the new fee changes that are happening in 2018. Starting April 1st, the monthly storage fees will be increasing by 5%. So the numbers I just showed you are accurate. You can see prior to April 1st, it was only 64 cents. Now it's going up to 69 cents. Again, you can get more information here about all this. And my subscriber was asking, when do the fees occur? So you can see right here that monthly storage fees will be typically charged between the 7th and 15th day of the month following the month that the fees were applied to. So if you get your inventory in July, you won't be charged until August, and you'll just have a small charge to your seller account then, which will probably be taken care of from after selling products. Amazon will take that fee right out of the products that you've been selling. So there is one other thing I wanted to mention. Some of my subscribers were worrying how much inventory can I actually keep in Amazon's warehouses. Now this is a brand new update, and you can see right here the changes for professional sellers, which is when you're paying $40 a month to have your Amazon account, which also lets you advertise with PPC. You need a professional account if you're going to start selling in bulk on Amazon here. But the biggest change they're going to be doing is that they're actually going to use the Inventory Performance Index to check where you are and how much inventory you're keeping in stock. And if you have a good index score, they're going to give you unlimited inventory capabilities. I can show you right here. I got an email from them and my score is 587 out of 1,000. If you're under 350 on their score chart, you're going to be limited on how much inventory you can store in their warehouses. And this apparently will only affect fewer than 5% of Amazon sellers. So for the broad majority of us, we're going to have unlimited access to storing small and even oversized inventory in Amazon's warehouses. And I can show you exactly where the performance index is right here inside of my account. So if I go over to my account here, it's going to be right under your sales summary. You can go down and see where it says inventory planning. Basically, it'll show you your score right there, which updates every week. you can just click right into this. And another tip for you guys, you can go click on inventory age right here. I'm not going to do it because it'll show my products, but it will actually show you kind of your conversion rate and if you have any problems with your products getting traffic, and it will give you suggestions on how you can improve your traffic and conversions on your listing. So that's awesome. So down here it will show me I have unlimited storage for standard size, oversize, apparel, and even footwear storage. Keep in mind, we don't want to ever really sell apparel or footwear because those are going to be kind of brand name products. And what I do here on my channel is private label selling. I find a product that's selling really well on Amazon that a bunch of private label sellers are selling, not big brands. And then I go source that from Alibaba, send it all into Amazon warehouses where I get that prime shipping to my customers, rank it on up to the first page, and make some awesome sales. So I'm really most interested in the standard and oversized storage capabilities. And literally I only have 20 cubic feet used up right now, so it's literally like nothing. And let me just give you an example here of what my storage fees actually look like. So we can see here, March 7th, 2018, I literally only paid $2.80 in storage. I've had about 150 units in at this amount of time, and then I was selling, I sold more, and then my storage was only $1.89, and then over here it was only $1.33 as of May 17th. So I just paid that. It was hardly any money at all. And another thing you guys can see here right in your inventory performance index is that it shows in April I paid $1.33 in inventory storage fees, or 0% of your FBA sales revenue. So I'm really surprised on how cheap Amazon is actually charging us for storage fees. It's pretty crazy. So let me show you exactly a tool you can use to actually check the storage fees right from a product detail page that you're interested in selling. So here we can see the product, and I'm going to do a little plug for Jungle Scout, guys. It shows you all the sales and reviews data. I know a lot of you guys already have this on my channel, but if you don't have it, I'm going to have it linked below, and it really helps support my channel if you guys buy things through my link, and that's really great to see. You can see all the product sales data for this right here. But another free tool you guys want to install is the AMZ Profit Calculator. So you can get this for free on the Google Chrome store, and basically you'll just type in the product cost. Of course, we just go to Alibaba.com, type in what product we're looking for, and you can get a benchmark price of what you think you're going to be actually having to purchase each unit for right here on Alibaba. Then go ahead and plug it in the calculator. So I said the product cost is about $5.25. If I sell it for $35, we can see I'll be making 22 bucks in profit. Sure, it shows me the profit, but it also shows me right here the monthly storage fee. So for one unit, it'll be literally 2 cents. If I have 100 units, it'll be like not even too much more than that. So you guys can see shipping inventory into Amazon is amazing, especially in the US marketplace, guys. We have the lowest fees out of any other country that has Amazon. So if you are trying to sell in the US, I recommend that. People from Canada, the UK are other great locations, but selling in the US will give you the lowest fees possible. And that's pretty much just about it, guys. So if you're looking to start selling on Amazon at all, I recommend you guys jump in and start taking an Amazon course. I actually made one myself. I'm really gonna probably be one of the most accessible teachers on the internet for Amazon FBA. I have a pretty small channel, and I'm just a hardcore dude that wants to help everyone out. So it's a win-win situation for both of us. If I help you make a bunch of money online, you might go tell more friends, hey, go learn from Luke. He's kicking some ass, and he'll help you too. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys in this video. Don't be afraid of storage fees or getting into a business like this at all. I mean, it's really not that complicated, but it is really wise to have a course to help you along the way, and especially a live mentor like me who can jump on a Skype call with you at any time. We can share our screen and go ahead and look in, and I'll help you out literally one-on-one. I just had a coaching call with someone yesterday from Montreal, Canada, and was helping him out with his listing and everything. So Amazon's a great place to go if you guys are working a 9-to-5 or you guys are looking to start an online business. Like, just take some time away from what you're doing, make a small investment. There's not too many other businesses you can go start up for under $3,000 and scale it up to something as big as you ever want to make it. And finally, guys, the last message I want to leave you with, if you're on the fence about this, think when you're 70, 80, 90 years old, you're on your deathbed, you're like, man, I wish I kind of just took a stab at entrepreneurship. I wish I could have seen what my real potential was. And you know, this opportunity is right here for you guys. Even if Amazon gets swept away in the next 5-10 years, which is kind of unlikely at the rate it's growing at right now, literally $375 billion in revenue a year right now, and it's increasing every year. If Amazon somehow disappears, we're going to have the sales skills to sell online. You're going to learn how to market and everything else. I have it all in my course: marketing, growing Facebook pages, Instagrams, and building a real brand around your product. One of the biggest criteria is to go ahead and find a product that you can actually see a brand being built around, not just a trending product for the time. Look for a product that you can really build a whole product line around that. But like I'm saying, guys, if Amazon disappears, you guys are going to have skills in all sorts of areas and aspects and be able to use that in any other platform you ever venture into, because everything is going online. That's the fact of the world today. Technology is taking off, and I want to see you guys on the other side with me. So thanks a lot for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. You can always go ahead and watch it at another time if you like the video and stuff. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys later. Have a great Saturday, and summer's coming up, so let's get it. Peace out, guys.